Hey everyone, today we are planting Eden Climber. This is the climber I've decided to put on the trellis. Isn't that beautiful? So basically this is from Pike's Nursery, maturity size 10 to 12 feet high. I'm hoping that it will do well in our zone. I garden in the south, 8A now, and have issues with black spots, moldy, the black spots on the plants as well as rimol and everything else on roses. I'm hoping that this rose will work for the trellis that we built last summer. So it's going to climb up here, go all the way across and down to the other side. I only purchased one because I kind of want to see how it does before I purchase another one to put on the other side. So we're going to get started and put this into the ground. Okay, we're going to dig the hole and put it pretty close to it. I couldn't decide if I should put it close to it and just have it climb upward, not having to like branch over, as opposed to planting it more into the garden and then having it trellis over and then climbing up. But I think it might be just easier just to have it closer to the trellis and then let it climb up. That should be good. The root balls coming from the nursery in this pot may not be as sturdy, so be careful when you place it in. And I think honestly you can plant the whole thing in because this is supposed to be biodegradable, but you might just have to tear it. Just tear the side. There you go. And then maybe we'll just put it in like that once you tear the upper part. I just don't want to prevent the roots from going out. There we go. Ooh, look at that root ball. It's definitely not root bound at all. It might actually be too deep. So once we put it in, just take it out. Yeah. Oops. Hubby's having to do it for me. Wait. Make sure it leans. See how the structure of it is kind of like that? Yeah. So kind of already trellising. There we go. There we go. Put a little bit on the back side. And that's how we get it into the ground. Here comes the rain. And Zena. She wants to be a part of this too. All right, we're going to have to do this quick. So it's in, situated. We're all set to go with this Eden Climber. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I will see you in the next video. Everybody decided to join us today.